सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल टेक कन्वर्जन को और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हमारी सभी नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे।
This is DTing, a series of robots and toys to be controlled by gesture and force.
DTing's gesture control power lies in the DTing gesture wristband. Easy to attach, with the wristband on, you will be the ultimate remote. After wearing the wristband, post a hand gesture and move your arm. The robot follows your movement and goes to the direction you are pointing at. It takes over all the behavior of robots and toys at your command. There's no other remote like this.
We began on DTing. Our aim is to make the user feel like a superpower beholder.
We don't limit the variety of hand gestures. You could be a Spider-Man, Iron Man, sharpshooter, or even express your feeling while controlling robots. DTing is a completely revolutionary robotic experience suitable for all ages, regardless of operational experience. The wristband also enables fine-grained control. The toy speeds up or slows down depending on the intensity of your gesture. There are even more ways to play waiting for you to discover. You can compete with a friend or even play with more than one toy using both hands. DTing is a brand new way to interact, bringing enjoyment, playability, and possibility. Together with DTing Gesture Wristband, we offer several connected robot and toys. A high-performance drone, a battling tank, or a high-imitation truck will be included. The developer version of DTing is offered to connect other robots, electronics, or anything else you desire.
We launched this project in 2016. DTing is designed with robot enthusiasts and excellent engineers.
We have finished the design, prototype, and final iteration. And together, we can drive the technology forward.
We need your support. So no matter who you are, we are making sure to have opened the box, find out revolutionary, affordable, amazing, and fine robots.
We look forward to making with you the next revolution in robotics, the one and only DT.
We do not remember days. We remember moments. Some of them make you smile. Some make you fall in love. All of them are worth sharing with the people you care about. And sharing all 360 degrees of your life has never been easier. My name is Yuri. I'm a founder of Fishball. Fishball is a 360 lens attachment that sits on top of your iPhone, leveraging optics, not electronics. This means no extra chargers, no battery drainage, no memory cards, and no Bluetooth pairing BS. It just works. It's the simplest way to record your memories in the form of 360 photos and videos, all with your iPhone. Unlike other 360 cameras, Fishball only needs a single tap to view and share, because your content is captured and stored right on your phone. Just upload your 360 content as you normally would onto Facebook or YouTube and view on your feed or use a VR headset. Life is better in 360 with Fishball. Get yours today.
From the moment our baby enters our lives, we follow its every move, admiring each smile, sound, and smell. But then we have to go back to work, leaving it to the care of others. And we not only miss them, but we also miss out on so many precious moments. Memories that will never return. That's why we've developed InVideo, the first intelligent monitor in the world that uses both face and emotion recognition technology and identifies important events in your child's day to create a daily magic moments clip, so you'll never miss a magic moment again. But that's not all. InVideo is packed with so many more incredible features that turn it into the most advanced monitor ever built. It notifies you when your kids return from school, or when an unrecognized person enters the room. It monitors the air quality, humidity, and temperature of the room. It sends alerts when your child is crying, and you can speak through it from anywhere you are. You can even see your baby at night and have it automatically play their favorite lullaby. And best of all, using smile detection, we store all of those lovely smiles for years. Instead of watching hours of footage each day to see if something significant happened, InVideo automatically binds these moments for you, creating a short clip. InVideo never miss a smile.
This is the eBeam Smart Pen. Being a designer, I'm always thinking visually. The eBeam Smart Pen lets me save, organize, and even stream everything I sketch and draw, all in real time. Writing is a very natural form of communication that we can now instantly digitize. This opens up a whole new level of possibilities. This Smart Pen keeps you connected in ways you never thought possible. Whether you're a student taking notes in class, a guy in a meeting, or maybe you just want to handwrite a message to a friend overseas, we're building the most powerful handwriting device out there. If you're as busy as I am, always running around at different locations, you'll be happy to know that with the eBeam Smart Pen, you can stay connected anywhere. Anyone can watch what you're writing in real time. You can use our Smart Pen with any paper, from letter to B6. In fact, you don't even need paper. You can use the Smart Pen on any flat surface. Just place the small sensor above the writing area and everything will be captured. So say goodbye to constantly buying expensive notepads. Sharing your writing in real time is easy. With the press of a button, you can start a meeting and share the link. Anyone with that link can connect and watch. Connected users can even be given permission to write or draw back, adding their notes to the digital canvas, all from their phone or computer. The eBeam Smart Pen even comes with a stylus lid to make it an all-in-one pen and stylus solution that can be used on any display or on any flat surface without making it mark. This pen is truly smart. If you're handwriting text, the eBeam Smart Pen can recognize what you're writing and convert it to digital fonts for easy editing. You can even use it to send messages to friends and family in a personal and natural way using your preferred text messaging or chatting app like iMessage, WhatsApp, anything. It's your new personal handwriting keyboard. The eBeam Smart Pen connects via the latest Bluetooth BLE technology. No need to pair the device. It'll detect and allow you to connect all automatically with a simple push of a button. The device works using two sensor technologies for incredibly accurate location and triangulation, so you know that all of your strokes are captured beautifully and accurately. It's the perfect writing companion to take with you anywhere. It takes just 2 hours to fully charge using any regular micro USB cable and can be used for 8 hours straight. The eBeam Smart Pen was created and designed by Luidia, the global meeting solution technology company with the mission to help you connect and communicate with ease. Luidia has created successful interactive capture products for education and business for years, and we are constantly improving our offerings. The e-beam Smart Pen being the latest in our product suite. It's time to upgrade your writing device to the last pen you'll ever need.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल टेक कन्वर्जन को और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हमारी सभी नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे। और अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करना ना भूलें। इसके अलावा शेयर कीजिएगा अपने सभी दोस्तों और फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ।